The moment the 2026 Ford Expedition Tremor comes into view, everything else seems to fade into the background. This is not just another full-size SUV. This is a statement of power, confidence, innovation, and unstoppable capability. It stands tall, wide, muscular, and commanding, radiating strength from every angle. Designed to dominate highways, conquer off-road trails, and deliver uncompromising family comfort, the Expedition Tremor represents the ultimate evolution of Ford's legendary SUV engineering. From the very first glance, the Tremor's bold presence makes its intentions unmistakably clear. The massive front grille dominates the nose, framed by sharp, modern LED matrix headlights that cut through darkness with surgical precision. The hood rises high, sculpted with muscular lines that hint at the power beneath. The wide stance, aggressive wheel arches, and rugged all-terrain tires create an unmistakable aura of dominance. This is an SUV built to explore beyond boundaries, to go where ordinary vehicles simply cannot. Every design element serves a purpose. Every line tells a story of strength and adventure. The skid plates underneath reflect readiness for serious terrain, while the high ground clearance gives it the ability to glide over rocks, sand, mud, and snow with unstoppable confidence. This is not cosmetic ruggedness. This is real engineering built for real challenges. The Tremor's body is large, yet sculpted with elegance. Sharp creases run along the sides, enhancing aerodynamics while amplifying visual drama. The blacked-out trim, rugged accents, and Tremor-exclusive design elements blend luxury with raw capability, creating a vehicle that feels equally at home outside a five-star hotel or deep in the wilderness. As sunlight glides across its premium paint, the Expedition Tremor reflects power, prestige, and adventure. It doesn't beg for attention. It commands it. Under the hood lies the heart of this mechanical beast, Ford's high-output 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine. Twin turbochargers deliver explosive power with remarkable smoothness, producing a breathtaking 440 horsepower and an earth-shaking 510 pound-feet of torque. Every press of the accelerator unleashes a wave of acceleration that feels almost impossible for a vehicle of this size. Yet, it does so with refinement, control, and confidence. The 10-speed automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, delivering power exactly when and where it's needed. Whether cruising effortlessly on highways, climbing steep mountain passes, or crawling over rocky trails, the Expedition Tremor responds instantly, delivering unwavering performance. Towing capacity reaches up to an astonishing 9,600 pounds, making it capable of pulling boats, campers, horse trailers, and heavy equipment with ease. Adventure no longer requires compromise. The intelligent four-wheel drive system works silently in the background, constantly analyzing terrain conditions, traction levels, and driver input to provide maximum grip and stability. Multiple drive modes allow the Tremor to adapt instantly, transforming from a smooth luxury cruiser to a rugged off-road warrior at the push of a button. Sand, mud, rock, snow, and trail modes reshape throttle response, suspension behavior, and drivetrain engagement to conquer every environment with total authority. When the pavement ends, the Tremor truly comes alive. The specially tuned high-ride suspension absorbs brutal terrain effortlessly, maintaining stability and control even when the landscape turns unforgiving. The electronic locking rear differential ensures maximum traction, while underbody skid plates protect vital components from sharp rocks and debris. Every mechanical component works in harmony to provide unstoppable momentum, turning obstacles into opportunities. Despite its immense capability, the Expedition Tremor remains surprisingly refined. Wind noise is minimal. Road imperfections fade beneath its wheels. Long highway journeys feel effortless, calm, and serene. This dual personality, brutal strength combined with luxury comfort, is where the Tremor truly separates itself from every competitor. Step inside, and the transformation is breathtaking. The cabin welcomes passengers into a world of advanced technology, premium craftsmanship, and expansive space. High-quality leather upholstery wraps around every surface, stitched with Tremor-exclusive detailing that reflects rugged sophistication. The seats offer exceptional support and comfort, whether navigating rough trails or cruising endless highways. Heated and ventilated front seats ensure year-round comfort, while second-row captain's chairs provide luxury-level relaxation for passengers. The dashboard is dominated by a massive panoramic digital display that stretches across the front, providing critical driving data, navigation, off-road metrics, and multimedia controls in stunning high definition. The center touchscreen integrates Ford's latest infotainment system, delivering seamless smartphone connectivity, navigation precision, and immersive audio control. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto eliminate clutter, while intuitive controls keep the driver fully focused. Ambient lighting glows softly throughout the cabin, enhancing mood and visibility while creating an atmosphere of refined elegance. Premium materials line every touchpoint, from soft touch panels to brushed metallic accents. Nothing feels cheap. Nothing feels overlooked. Every detail has been carefully engineered to elevate the driving experience. Space is where the Expedition Tremor truly redefines expectations. With 3 spacious rows of seating, it comfortably accommodates up to 8 passengers, each enjoying generous legroom, headroom, and shoulder space. Even the third row offers true adult comfort, transforming long journeys into relaxed adventures. The massive cargo area ensures that luggage, camping equipment, sports gear, and everyday essentials fit effortlessly. Whether transporting families, adventurers, or heavy cargo, the Tremor adapts instantly. The panoramic roof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the feeling of openness and luxury. The advanced climate control system maintains perfect temperatures throughout all seating zones, ensuring every passenger enjoys complete comfort regardless of external conditions. Safety technology surrounds every occupant with invisible protection. Advanced driver assistance systems continuously monitor the road, scanning for potential hazards, pedestrians, vehicles, and obstacles. Adaptive cruise control maintains safe distances, lane keeping assist ensures steady guidance, and blind spot monitoring adds an extra layer of confidence. Emergency braking reacts faster than human reflexes, while surround view cameras provide unmatched visibility during tight maneuvers and off-road navigation. Every journey feels secure, controlled, and stress-free. Yet, the Expedition Tremor is not merely about safety, luxury, or power. It represents freedom. It represents possibility. It represents the ability to pack up the family, load the gear, and chase horizons without hesitation. Imagine crossing endless deserts, carving through mountain trails, gliding across snowy landscapes, and cruising through bustling cities, all in the same vehicle. The Tremor thrives everywhere. Its adaptability knows no limits. Its spirit thrives on exploration. On open highways, it becomes a luxury cruiser, swallowing miles with effortless grace. The suspension smooths imperfections, the engine hums quietly, and the cabin isolates passengers from chaos outside. Long journeys become peaceful experiences, turning road trips into cherished memories. On rugged trails, it transforms instantly into a trail-dominating force. Tires bite aggressively into loose soil, suspension articulation absorbs brutal terrain, and drivetrain systems coordinate perfectly to maintain traction and momentum. Every challenge becomes an invitation. Every obstacle becomes a thrill. The Tremor's commanding driving position offers exceptional visibility, instilling confidence and control. The steering remains precise, stable, and responsive, even in demanding conditions. Despite its massive dimensions, maneuverability feels natural and intuitive, aided by advanced camera systems and intelligent parking assistance. Every element of the Expedition Tremor has been designed with one goal: to eliminate compromise. There is no need to choose between luxury and ruggedness. No need to sacrifice performance for comfort. No need to abandon adventure for practicality. This SUV delivers everything, without exception. Its bold exterior design reflects courage and strength. Its luxurious interior celebrates comfort and innovation. Its mechanical engineering delivers unstoppable performance. Its advanced technology enhances safety and connectivity. And its sheer size provides limitless versatility. This is the SUV for families who refuse to be ordinary. This is the vehicle for explorers who seek horizons beyond maps. This is the machine for drivers who demand power without surrendering comfort. The 2026 Ford Expedition Tremor is not just transportation. It is an experience. It is an invitation to explore. It is a promise of adventure, safety, strength, and luxury combined into one extraordinary machine. Every ignition awakens possibility. Every journey becomes a story. Every destination feels closer. In a world filled with SUVs that attempt to do everything, the Expedition Tremor is the one that truly delivers it all. Power that commands respect. Luxury that redefines comfort. Technology that anticipates every need. Capability that conquers every challenge. And space that brings families together for unforgettable journeys. This is not simply the next generation of full-size SUVs. This is the future of adventure-driven family mobility. This is the 2026 Ford Expedition Tremor.